If you've ever run out of space on your main drive and wanted to move an Epic Games title without starting the download all over again, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to move Epic Games games to another disk, keep your files safe, and make Epic Launcher recognize the game in the new location. This is a super useful trick if you have a smaller SSD for Windows and a larger hard drive or second SSD for your games. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming and PC guides. Let's jump in. First, find the game you want to move in your Epic Games library and make sure it's closed completely. You do not want the launcher or the game running while you're moving files around. Next, go to the current installation folder and copy the entire game folder to the new drive where you want it to live. For example, if the game is currently on your C drive, copy that full folder over to your D drive or any other disk you prefer. The important part here is to copy the whole folder exactly as it is, because you'll need those files later. Once the folder is safely copied, open the Epic Games launcher and uninstall the game from the launcher. Now don't worry, this sounds scary, but we're not actually deleting your backup copy. We're only removing the launcher's old installation entry so we can redirect it to the new disk. After that, start the install process again, but this time choose the new location on the other drive where you want the game to be stored. As soon as the download begins, pause it right away. This step is really important because it creates the new folder structure and lets Epic know where the game should be installed. Now open the new download folder and delete its contents. In other words, clear out the partial files that Epic just created in that location. Once that folder is empty, paste the original game files you copied earlier into this new download location. After the old files are in place, go back to the Epic Games launcher and resume the download. Epic will verify the files instead of downloading everything from scratch, and this is what makes the whole trick so fast. Depending on the game and your drive speed, it may check the files for a moment and then finish the install. When it's done, the launcher should recognize the game in the new disk location and you'll be ready to play. If everything worked correctly, the game should now be fully moved to your other drive without wasting time or bandwidth. This method is perfect for big games, especially when you need to free up space on your primary drive but still want to keep your library installed. Just remember the key steps. Copy the game folder, uninstall an Epic Launcher, start the install in the new location, pause it, delete the new download contents, paste in the old files, and then resume. If this saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.